John, thank you so much for hosting today this press conference. Would you like to come and bring some greetings?
I'll start off by congratulating the Greater Houston Partnership, the state of Texas. You're obviously the reason that we're here. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to NEUTEX. My name is John C. Higgins. I'm the president and CEO of NEUTEX. We are a lighting manufacturer, LED high efficiency lights, something you guys are going to grow to know very quickly in the industry very soon. We're here for a splash. I'm very proud to be here with the Greater Houston Partnership and everybody to celebrate the momentous occasion. You know, we came here from China. We left here and went to China thinking, like everybody else, that that was the place to manufacture, the cheapest, the easiest, and it really turned out to be quite hard and quite expensive. We started looking about 2 years ago to coming back to the United States for a lot of reasons, all the way from the shipping cost, quality control, the fact that we had to travel constantly, you know, to the tariffs that were being put on, to the sudden contraband searches that you couldn't possibly plan on thinking about to build into the cost of your goods sold. And we started to notice that in China, they were developing a middle class. We watched Juicy Couture open, we watched Starbucks coming, we saw everybody wearing headphones on our lines. And there for a few minutes, we started to realize we're developing a middle class. We're developing a middle class in China while killing the middle class at home. That's a problem. So I sat down with my team, we all started looking at the numbers, we started looking at what was going on, the travel time, and we went outside the box and to really think on what it took to come back to the United States. And it made sense. It really made sense. The quality was going to be better. The people are better. They're more efficient. We had a few hiccups along the way, but we could make it work. We started dealing with many different cities, many different states. Of course, we're like everybody else. We want the biggest and best deal. So we started shopping around. We got some really incredible offers from cities and states. We sat down with Mr. Chad Carson, and we started to talk a little bit. Mr. Craig Richards got involved. We started to talk a little bit more. And they said, why don't you do this? Why don't you sit down and make a list of everything you want in a city? What is your ideal situation in a city? Well, the first thing is that we need a good city that's going to stand behind us. We need community leaders that are going to stand behind us and support us. That's first and foremost. We need good highways. We need good access to major highways. We need a good rail system. We need access to a port. We need a good working environment. We need an environment where we can deal with international leaders, decision makers, CEOs. Those are the things we need. We also need groups, and we need the public and everybody that would stand behind us, and we want credibility. We took that list and we looked at it. We were on our way to meet Chad at a meeting, and Mark and I looked at each other and we said, you know, we really just described Houston. We described Houston. Every single thing we wanted was on that list, and we described Houston. Why are we considering the fact that we want to uproot our people and move somewhere else to try and get incentives? Houston made the most sense before any incentives. And to let you know, we took no incentives. We asked for no incentives. Houston made that much sense. We took no money from the city. We took no money from the state to help build our company. We did it because Houston makes sense. So in coming back, the city opened their arms, and it's kind of funny. The first question everybody asks us is, you're in the oil state. You're in the energy capital of the world. You're cutting their usage. You're cutting their profits. I will tell you right now, we've gotten nothing but support from the entire energy capital of the world, all the way around, from the oil executives to the energy executives. They have opened their arms and opened their hearts to help us do what we needed to do to get here. And we want to thank everybody for what they've done. I want to thank my team for the sacrifices that they've made that helped NEUTEX get to where we are today. And in 30 days, we'll have the people here. We'll start cranking out those fixtures, and we hope to see all your faces again. Congratulations again, everybody involved. thank you for everything you did to get us here. Thank you, Mr. Richards. Thank you, Craig. Y'all are part of the team. Thank you, guys.